Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TAFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. Today's guys, I just want to share a very important update about our TFX MT4 manual system that now trades beyond. I want you to listen carefully because I will prove to you right in this video, and I will share more light on our VIP group. But I want to share this light to all CMC trader, ICT traders, all manual traders. I just want you to judge this system today if what I will share with you, it is true or false. Because now the system is so simple and easier to trade beyond. I'm not saying to trade CMC, smart money concept, or ICT, or any of your trading strategy, because the profitable strategy or the strategy that most of the traders use professionally, it is ICT and CMC or smart money concept. Now, today TFX company, we have managed to code our manual system beyond CMC or ICT strategies, and we make it simple, very, very, very simple and accurate. This is the combination of using also the abacus that will be controlling the trades. So let me show you without wasting your time. And I would like for those CMC or ICT traders to watch this video closely, because you know the beginners won't understand what I will share here, but professional or the ICT CMC traders, they can tell you whether what I'm sharing here, it is more professional than most of you will maybe I'm saying maybe, but this one, it will make things easier because you don't have time to go even to trading view to do a lot of analysis, chart analysis. I'll share a lot of light in the system. And don't forget, this is the TFX Nairobi plus the abacus. This is the MT4 manual. We have dated even our MT5 manual system. They looks like and they are very, very profitable. And guys, if you're watching this video from our YouTube channel, make sure you follow us on our Telegram, because anytime from next week, but one will be sharing results direct from our manual system to show you how this system it has become so accurate, and you don't have to get tired from jumping this time frame to another, this one, trading view, blah 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 blah. No. Time to make things easier. Let's go straight to the point. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about trading candles, because we all know about the TFX plus abacus. We have been using the Renko. Let me show you a good example. Let's go back here, and this is now how the Renko chart looks like. This is the weekly time frame where the EA the abacus will be, or our TFX Renko file will be analyzing market from, and from there it will create a Renko chart. It's very simple when using this one, because if it is a down trade, we look for a down trade. But in this video, I'm going to share the secret that no one has ever told you. If someone have talked about this, I do believe we are very few in this Forex market talking about this one. What am I talking here? Let me go back to this area. As you can see here, though more of mentorship will be sharing, will mentor people on our VIP. But let me talk this on behalf of CMC and smart money traders who are watching this video. Guys, I just wanted to watch closely at this point. Some people took this as a BOS, all right? It is true, it is a BOS, because in this support, you can see the candle closed below this level, and this is the BOS. And the secret that I'm going to share with you here After the BOS here, or after the change, not the change of character, but the break of structure, the market must reverse, not exactly to this place where people call a POI, point of interest. It is this side. There is what we call, again, engineer liquidity. All right, guys, whereby it is at this area, because this is a extreme. This is an extreme area. Let me show you something here. Trading ICT or CMC, we have three major areas where we expect to sell or to buy the market. Number one, we have the extreme, we have the engineer liquidity, and we have minor. They all talk about minor, whereby we say it is a 50-50 game. You can see here, there is an order block at this point. All right, guys, I just want you to watch closely. Don't say I'm doing thing here which is not normal. Here there is an order block. And in this order block, it is what we call a minor retracement or whatever. This is a minor. We go to our engineer before we go to extreme. So the market comes to this area. If it will break this area, it will go to engineer. After the engineer, it will go to extreme, and it must drop. The reason why we are saying it must drop, it is because we have the BOS at this area. Follow me closely, because I'll be mentoring people about this on our Telegram, but I want to prove this, that we know what we are doing, because there is something here that will shock you today. So this tells us the market probably, I can pick any of the candle here. Let me even pick this one, because what I want to share with you here, when you are trading, analyzing market from weekly and sometimes in daily time frame, you will find that most of the time the market will reverse on your medium area. It is not high probability of the market to go to the engineer if there is an BOS here. Sometimes it might go there, but we are talking about more than 80% that the market will touch this area. If I pick any of the candle randomly, the pairs randomly, you'll be shocked to see what I'm saying. It is true. Now, let me show you something here. Now the market, because we have the BOS here, reversed to this area, then the market dropped. Then what we are expecting this market to do, it is to break this area again, to reverse, then to continue dropping if it will continue with a down trade. After breaking this area, we know that this market will change, because will change the direction, or the trend will change, because you must know how to draw the corrective higher lows. There is a lot of mistake people do when doing chart analysis. They can draw here as a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and you really need to understand how these things work, because this one, it might not be a higher high, or this one, it might not be a higher low before a certain confirmation. And I do believe those people who are watching this video, if you are experienced of CMC or ICT, you know what I mean. But let's go back to our video here. So guys, this is why we have a sell here. This is GBP USD. Let me open the same GBP USD. This is a weekly, and I want to go to our, again, no. It's already here. Let me show you. If I delete this area that I drawn here manually, you'll find that we only have this resistance here, another one here, and another one here. We don't have it here. Then will you lose all this opportunity because the system does not show you to sell here? No. This is what will be happening in your Renko chart. You can see we have a sell here. we have another sell here, the crossing of here, there is another crossing here, then there is a good sell that indicates that the market is still selling. All right. So if you jump to our Renko, you must see this resistance. And if you're watching closely, it is very different. It has a new look. You can see now what our support or resistance looks like. We don't want to miss any opportunity. All right. You can see the way they look like. We don't have now those blah, blah, blah. We are targeting the exact entry point. We don't want someone to enter here, then the market to reverse into this area after liquidity or after they sweep your stop loss, then the market drops. We want to pick the trade exact area so that the area we are picking trade, it is where the market or the market makers has already swept people's liquidity. That's what I want you to understand. Our entry point will always be where other people's has been their stop loss has been swept. Then that's where our entry point will be. And I do believe a lot of traders, the market or the market makers, blah blah blah, whatever, they have been hitting your stop loss, and you wonder why. Because sometimes you put your stop loss not where exactly it should be. It is where you thought. But most of the time, they hit your stop loss. Now, our system will help you to set your stop loss where that other traders, when they sweep their liquidity, or maybe liquidity swept or stop loss, when they sweep their stop loss, that's when our system will give you an entry point. So it is very simple using this system, because you only need to pick, if you're using Renko, you just open the chart and you go direct to this Renko file MX2. This is what now we are using. If you click it once and you see that the trend is not smooth, go back again. You'll find that there is no Renko file at this point. Then that's when again you inserted the second time. Then everything will be cool. You can see here there is a buy market, and now you can see there was a smooth market from this point, because this is a buy. So what you can do when trading manually, you know the rules, guys. We enter this trade at this point. This is where we enter the trade. This is our entry point, where there is a cross of this our trade makers, and you can see the change of character of our TFX D Fisher. Then you'll see the bars here, or the volumes here. They have already touched our line here. You'll get signal, or you'll get alert, or you can set it to get it on your phone. Then from there, you wait for one brick to cross, then you enter the market, then boom, according to the direction of this area. So what I was trying to share here, it is what we'll be sharing on our mentorship group, where you are supposed to enter the market or to re-enter the market, how to identify the true engineer and also the true medium, or where we call it 50-50 place. See, this is a 50-50 place, but not in a weekly time frame, but in a small time frame. All right, guys. So it is very, very, very simple when analyzing this market. Now, for instance, you can see that this market is going up here. All right, guys. And you can see it has already broken this area. There is an BOS here, so this market is going up. This tells you this market will reverse. Let me show something here. Let me show something very, very interesting at this point. This tells you there is time this market will reverse. If this market reverse, you will find that we have one of our order block here. This is what we call a medium one. All right. From there, we have our engineer liquidity at this point. From there, we have our extreme at this point. Perfect. This strategy works in all time frame. This strategy is so professional, and we'll show you how to do it. how to work with it, and how to identify this area. So this tells us if this market drop to this area, even if, because we already see that it is a buy market, it has not yet hit at this point, even if there will be no any indicator here telling us it's a buy, we can see we are coming from the support. So this one, it will be a buy. But where will you buy? You will only buy when it touches this area, then you jump to your Renko. Any buy opportunity, it will be a golden opportunity. So we won't wait until we get another indicator here, then we sell. No, we must master to do this thing professionally, manually, because this is where you train yourself to be a full-time trader. And trust me, the TFX company this time around will take you through until you employ yourself, because people are suffering about employing themselves when there is a golden opportunity. So all you need, it is to work with us or follow us closely, and you get all this knowledge. Okay, guys? So that's how the things work. Now, that was the part of Renko, whereby I do believe we have been sharing a lot of secret, a lot of, there is nothing different, only advanced. We are advanced, and we remove a lot of the order blocks. We are not the order blocks, the indicators that we have been using, Agatha, blah, blah. We have coded them all and advanced them so that it can give us an accurate signal. Trust me, when I say this system now works beyond CMC, ICT, trust me, this is what you'll be seeing, even the result on our Telegram. So follow us closely. All right, guys, so let us move on now. Now, you might ask yourself, what if I don't want to work with Renko? How will I work with this system trading candles? We have never shared this before because we wanted this system to be complete to trade beyond CMC and ICT. So this is how now you'll be trading with this system in a very simplest way. This is the strategy that will be giving you more than 3 signals per day. Number one, you will have to open the pairs that you are trading, whether you want to trade all, whatever. Let me just give you an example of what you'll be using, because it will be very simple. It will be very simple. Let's pick them randomly. Now, you don't have to jump from big time frame to small time frame. And this is where the secret is. And you really need this system. The moment you get this system, make sure you are in our VIP so that you can get full mentorship. Now, we'll be using this system in 4 hours time frame. You see, 4 hours time frame. Let me go. This is the handle X2 that you'll be using. Let me click this one, H4, right? Template number 1. I'll show you the difference. We have the template number 1 and we have the template number 2. Now, the template number 2, it's the same as with the template number 1, but this one, it has currency strength, so that it can help you. There is people who believe and they do love to enter the trade when the currency strength, I'll give them signal that the currency that you want to buy or sell, it's also a strong one. There is some want a clear chart that only gives them the entry point. This is what to use. And as you can see, we have this area where we're expecting market to sell. We have our auto trading line. We have a support here. You can see we have the white indicator here. We have the blue one here. We have the blue one here. We have the fire bricks here that indicates a sell. And the other one here, we also have the green one here that also indicates supports and resistance. This one indicates minor. The most interesting thing, this one indicates minor. The blue one indicates extreme together with the white, and it will also indicate the engineer together with these parallel lines that you can see here. They also indicate. Let me give you their name. The symbols is here that reminds you that you are in a GU. GU means GPP USD. The second thing, it is the premier zone. The premium zone, it is this one drawing the blues and the let me open a new chart so that you can see this. Let it be clear here. I want you to see something here, a very clear. Let me open our indicators here. Just 1 minute. So, number one, we have, don't have this one. Let me delete this one. Don't have that one in our manual. We have the premier zones, all right? Let me show you. This is our premier zone that indicate the zones that you are supposed to enter. Very different with the order blocks, because the order blocks, you enter market here, then zoom, they sweep your stop loss, then the market goes up. So this is why our EA will on our system will only give you entry point after they have swept the people's stop loss. The second thing, we have a pullback Excel. So this one, it's a major pullback, which gives you the major points also, or what do we call it? Engineer or extreme areas where you are supposed to enter the trades. The second one, we have minor pullback. So this one, it is the one with the yellow ones, the greens, not yellow, the green one that will give you a pullback where we are calling 50-50, but this one will be giving you a good entry where the market should have a retracement, not the major one, but the retracement that helps people also to bank or to scalp. The second thing, we have currency strength. Those are the major. The one, again, it is the POI levels. POI's level, they are the point of interest. Let me click it simple as that. You can see these are the point of interest, and we also have this as a point of interest. Why is this the point of interest? After the BOS, or after the break of structure here, we are waiting for this market to come and again to mitigate this area before going up or to change the character and drop. So this one, it is the POI, or the point of interest, whereby after the market touching this area, more than 90%, it must reverse to this area. This is why it's called the POI level. So I do believe now you get what I'm saying. So let us open direct to our chart so that I can share more details about this system. It is very, very simple to use this system. Number one, you can see now we have already a sell at this point. Why am I saying this is a sell? Because you can see we have a green here, and we have our green here, which is a minor pullback. So we have a minor pullback here. So automatically you click sell at this point. All right, guys. Now, when you click sell like this one, if it refuses to enter the trade, it is because it is relying with this premier zone. The premier zone here, it's saying buy. This, because this one is a minor, this one is a premium. So when the premium saying buy, it the abacus does not recognize this minor, because the abacus believes in long trade. So all you need, because here we have the advantage of a minor sell, all you need to do here, you go to indicators. First of all, you delete this premium so that the abacus can sell this trade. All right, guys, boom. From there, you will click here. If it is a sell, you have to modify sell. If it is a buy, you have to modify buy, so that you can set where you are supposed to set your stop loss or your take profit. So let's go on and click modify sell. You will get these two lines. The one of it, you are supposed to set where you are supposed to set the stop loss. above this line. Don't say, oh, my friend, I can see here there is a strong resistance. No, let them hit your stop loss if this market will continue going up. There is nothing like I was thinking in Forex market. So if you enter the market at this place, let me show you. If you enter the market at this place, all you need to do, it is to set the stop loss above your entry point, because we have these dotted, we have these lines, then these lines help you to know where to set your stop loss. Then from there, you take this line and set it to this place. I will show you on our VIP where you are supposed to set your TP, because you can see we have what do we have here? We have here imbalance. We have imbalance here. So this market must come and fill this one. Why am I saying it is a must? Not every time. You can see there is imbalance here that is not yet mitigated or filled. We have another one here. And we are coming from a strong resistance to sell this market. So this is why I'm saying this area, because it is our minor retracement that will be here. This is why, because there was a change of character, there was a BOS at this point. This is why we are supposed to bring our take profit at this point, because market will come and mitigate this, somehow go up again, continue dropping. So this is why we set our TP here, knowing that the TP should be 2 to 3 times of your stop loss. All right. And if we can, after setting there, you need to again to click modify so that the TP may stand or may place itself where our line is. So let's continue and place modify sell. Automatically, the TP is here now and the stop loss is there. Now, what is our loss at this point? You see, if the market goes against us, it will hit only our $8. And if it goes on our side, it must be 2 to 3 times here, because we're expecting this one, all right? Or here, at least that is 2. If we put it there, when the market comes again and fill our take profit 2, will be our take profit 2, because we have seen we have 2 imbalance. We have imbalance here and we have another imbalance here. So if the market comes to this area, it will give us a $24. If this market comes to this place again, it will give us $10 or $8. Okay, guys, so we won't lose if it comes on our way. And trust me, more than 90%, this system will give you an accurate signal. All right, guys, it will give you accurate signal. So this is just a demonstration to show you how this system works. The more results from our live account, we'll be sharing them on our Telegram, and full mentorship will share with you on our VIP. Now, what is another most interesting thing? Let's say we have 4 hours here. And let's say, for instance, you entered maybe your trade manually. Let's say, for example, you entered a buy manually. All right. You entered, let's assume here there was a buy. Let me click buy. All right. Let's assume there was a buy. And this buy was taken, maybe you took that buy from your phone or whatever, and you want to place the stop loss and the take profit where you are supposed to place it according to the system. All right, guys. Because it is a buy entry, all you need to do is to place again modify buy. Then it will bring these lines, and you set your TP and your stop loss. Let's say at that point, again, you click modify, then the TP and stop loss automatically, they will come to that area. That's most interesting with this system. All right. You can control all your trade. Again, let's say, for instance, let's go to 4 hours. And I will tell you why 4 hours, guys. Just follow this video closely. Let's assume you set your buy limit, sell limit at this point. let's say, for example, because this is an engineer before getting into extreme. And as you can see here, we are coming to our, let me bring this one as our engineer. All right, no, this one is our 50 or medium retracement or minor pullback. All right, it will be here hitting this one, or go to our extreme, our engineer or extreme. And let's say you want to set your TP and your stop loss easily, then you move on and do your works, because the reason why we are using this one, it will help you not to spend 24 hours on your PC looking for here, jumping to this time frame. My friend, it is very easy. Trust this system. It is very simple and easy, as you can see it. So all you need to do here, we have our sell limit here. So all you'll do, you will modify the sell. All right, simple as that, so that you can set your, let's say, for example, this is a sell limit. Let's say maybe there is where your stop loss is, and maybe you want your TP to be at this point. Then after doing that, again, you click again, modify sell, so that we can get our TP here and our stop loss there placed automatically. All right, you can see now we have our TP and our stop loss. So if I go wherever I want to go, this tells us that we are safe. We have the stop loss. We make it easy. There's no need to count, to calculate, to know. No. The system will help you easily, because we'll guide you where to set your stop loss and where to set your TP, and how to use this system professionally, rather than doing 100 of analysis, jumping from this time, so from this one. No, everything is complete. All I'm saying, we will be working in 4 hours, and I have reason. And the point is here, you must get signals each and every day, not one signal, not two, more than 3 signals. So some people have been jumping, oh, me, I'm scalper, I want to trade in minute 1, I want to trade in minute 5. It's only because you have that mindset. Remove that mindset and set your mindset to be a profitable trader. It doesn't matter. And one thing, I must give you this secret: market does not respect your analysis. Market does not respect your time frame. Market only respect the strategy. Even those people who are profitable, it is the strategy that makes them make good money, not the analysis jumping from this time frame. There are some people, they stick even in one time frame and they are making good money. It is your strategy that will pay you, not the word scalping, not the word long trade. This is why we have the system here that will help you understand when to go long and when to do scalping. For instance, you won't find a minor pullback and expect to go long. But when you get the combination of all, it tells you can go all, you can go long. When you get like the premium alone, because here we only have the premium, it tells you go for short. So we have long trade, short trade, and scalping, and we are doing all these in 4 hours time frame. I will show you guys. All I want you to understand, it is how the system works, and it works beyond CMC and ICT. Believe it or not, because that is up to you. All I'm sharing here, it is the light. So we have seen that we can set our sell limit, or we can set even our buy limit again, and set our stop loss where we want. And I will show you, because you can use buy limit and sell limit and go your way if you don't have time. This is the best thing with this system. So all you can do again here, let's say, for example, you can set your buy limit at this point. And if I was trading, in fact, I would have set my buy limit at this area. You know why I'm going to set my buy limit at this area? Because there is a break of structure here, a BOS. All right, we have a BOS here. Let me show you something here, guys. We have a BOS at this point. All right, after the break of structure, what are you expecting? We have a minor here, 50-50 place, and this is our what we call our engineer. Our engineer liquidity is here. So my buy limit here, it's more accurate than here. Here, I can only trade my medium pullback or my minor pullback when I am on my PC. But if I don't have time to stay on my PC, I will set on my extreme or on my engineer area. So here, I can set my engineer here, and I can also set another buy limit here, right, on my extreme. All right, guys. Then again, I will modify where I will set my stop loss. All right. I will set my TP here because it must be below or above our indicators here. And my TP, I can set it here because I'm not in front of my PC, because there was a break of structure at this point. So this is an upgrade. All right, you can see it's a strong buy. So it can revise here, then this market will continue going up. All right, guys. And the reason why the market broke at this area, the reason why I'm very confident with this trade, let me show you. Let me show you why I'm confident with this trade. It is because you can see, even in our higher high, our lower high, you can see there is also a BOS. So this is the USD, Euro USD. Trust me, next week the Euro USD will be buy. Why? It will touch this area and it will go up. It can touch this area and continue going up. It will be a buy trade because we have the change of character here, and the other senior are break of structure of after breaking our lower high, it's already done. So this is an up trade. All right. So after modifying my trades there, I will also click modify buy so that I can get my stop loss at this point, and my TP, sorry, my TP should be here. The red one is for the stop loss. The stop loss should be here. Then I will click modify buy. Automatically, the stop loss are here, and the TP of both entries are already set at this point. Check out this area, exact area, 1.64978, the same area for the TP and the same area of the stop. It is simple as that. Then you can go and do other jobs. So I will guide you guys and I will mentor you to trade, not to spend all your time, even if you're trading manually, not to spend all your time on your PC, but because of lack of employment, I will advise you to be a full-time trader. All right. If you have other activities, you can do them. Then when you can set your trades where they are supposed to be, then you can move on and do other stuffs. But the point is here, be a full-time trader. Trust the TFX company. We will guide you and do that. Let me share you another light of the system. But before we go there, let me tell you, let me show you something here, because I do believe professional traders are watching this and may say, oh, my friend, I didn't see something there, blah, 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 blah. Let me show you something here. We have a trade line here. Must you buy or sell this because the market has touched your trend line? Yes or no? Let me show something here. Very interesting. Let me delete everything in this chart so that you can see after, before we go to, we can close all trade by just clicking this market weighting. We have closed every trade, and also we can close this so that I can share the light here. There is a light I want to share here. And now, my fellow traders, CMC and ICT, watch here so that you can believe in this system. Guys, there was a sell here because it has touched our trend line. If I was in this market I would have traded this even without my green. Yet I want people to follow the rules of the system to wait the green, but here, because of trend, I would have trade this sell, not because there is a history here, but let me show you how professional we are when it comes to trading. And I will show maybe one or two pairs, then we jump on. Here, some people, oh, I can see trade line, I can jump. Don't jump because it has hit your trade line. Let me show you what part of the things that we'll be sharing on our VIP. There was a BOS at this point. I want you to take it here. This is the BOS, and the market dropped. True or false? Here, 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 right? There is a BOS. The BOS was here. All right. Some will say, oh, my friend, no, it was here. No. It wasn't there. It was here. This is our last higher low. The market was uptrend. This is our higher low, and the market has changed the direction. This was the a real pullback, all right, or major or a pullback XL. So this is why the market went to this way, but the market is dropping. All right, let me show you something here. Very, very interesting. If this market will continue going up, thank you because of respecting this. But let me tell you how we will be scalping. The reason why I'm saying we'll be getting even more than 3 signal per day. After the BOS, what did I say? The market must reverse to our minor, all right, or to go to our extreme before continue going down. Now, after breaking here, where is our minor? Our minor is here. I will show you. Why is it here? It is not this one. This one is the cause of the BOS, not this one. And if you want to say this one, well and good. But I will tell you, we go to a higher, the one that is so high than the other one. So if, for instance, I was drawing here, let's say, for example, if we were drawing the higher lows here, you can't set it this one. This one is so high, this one is so higher than this one. So this is where we can take our sell from. I will share that light on our VIP, all right? So the reason why, if it can hit your stop loss at this point, where is our engineer? It is at this point. That is our next. All right, let's continue. Every time, the reason why we are saying you cannot use it at this point, let's say, for example, let me show something here. I was looking for my pen here. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, yeah. The reason why we are picking this area rather than this one, we'll always look for a higher point than the lowest one. All right. So this area becomes our higher point than this one, because even this one became our higher point than this one. The other one can say here. And the more you go higher, or the far you go, the more accurate signal will be. The closer you are from your BOS, the lesser retracement you get, or the more you are at risk or risking if you are trying to create here an order block, because there is an order block here. All right, there is an order block here. People are picking sell here. They hit your stop loss. You can see they sweep the liquidity at this point. You can see this is where the order block is. All right, guys, it is here. And they hit your stop loss. Then the market deceived people like it's going up again at that point, again to this area, then boom. So then when the market hit at this our area, then the market reverse. So this area, because it's longer than, or it's higher than this area, this is why here you are risking a lot. The more you go higher, the more chances of coming down it will be. The second thing, it is what people don't understand about this area. When you draw, let's say for instance, let me pick this one, and because this is where our order block is. All right, our order block is here with this candle. All right, so let us draw it correctly. So they hit your stop loss, or they sweep your stop loss, then the market go down. We wait for this to sweep this liquidity. And this is where I told you our system will wait for the market to sweep people's stop loss, then that's when we'll get our entry. The professionals of advanced CMC, they will tell you it must sweep the previous liquidity, this area. It must sweep. After sweeping, then it will give you a good sell. But what happened at this point? After sweeping here, they closed with the candle here, deceiving people that now this, again, it's an up trade. This is where people get confused. I don't know whether it is an up trade or it's down trade, because they close with the candle, but the market also reversed. We wait for this one to sweep. This is why our system can only indicate after they have swept people's stop loss, or if they have swept the liquidity, that is when our system will give you signal. But trading manually, even without the indicators, because you cannot code and set the system perfectly if you don't know how to do it even without indicators. The indicators from TFX company, it only helps you and make things easier professionally, instead of doing support or supply, demand, or drawing maybe order blocks, blah, blah, blah. But if you have that knowledge, this system makes things easier for you to see them the way you are supposed to see it. This is why when I say that I would have entered this market at this point, someone can tell you why. Because if you check it from this point and this point, it becomes a double. Hey, my friend, this is a double top. All right, guys, this is a double top. So what about this one? This one, it's inside. So here and this place make a double top. The second thing, confirmation to enter this trade, it is because there was a BOS in this area. There was another BOS to this area. So we were expecting after this BOS, the market can reverse to this area, or it will go to this extreme area or of our engineer area. It is simple to understand how market works. And it is very hard also to understand if the system you are buying outside there, it is not programmed or coded by professionals. So this is why you must understand. So let me give you another good example. Let's go to GPPCHF. Let me do this. We can pick it randomly and analyze what I'm saying here. Let me zoom it like this one. Yeah, we are in 4 hours. What do you see here, guys? I said after this BOS, there's a BOS here. All right, guys, let me show you. This is to prove, only to show we know what we are doing. When I say that the system is beyond CMC or ICT, some people will like to see the proof. This is why I'm sharing this video. This is why I'm doing what I'm doing here, to make you understand. This is a BOS. What did I say? The market will reverse to this point, or it will go here. It is our extreme now. All right. Where is our engineers, guys? Where is our engineers? Let me zoom here, because I want you to see this thing clearly. I want you to see this clearly. Let me show you. Where, if you want to draw this thing correctly, first of all, you must have the knowledge of what we call the knowledge of or the skill of knowing about how to draw the order blocks. All right, because you can see, let me show you here. This is our order block here, and we must draw it to our last candle, right? the engineer, it's here. And someone will say, this is an order block, right? From that point to this area. Take the whole candle because it's part of order block, all right? All right, guys. And some will tell you, you can draw to this week. But to me, this week, it's not big enough. So I will have to draw the whole candle that brought all this down. So this is the engineer, and this is the extreme. So as you can see, it would have hit our first stop loss. After what? Let me show you here. We said after this break of structure, there is another block here. There is another one here. There is another one here. But we say we are going for a higher point. The highest point we have seen, this is the highest point, not of this one and this one, after this break of this structure. Let me zoom again, because you must see what I'm saying. All right? You must see what I'm saying, guys. You must see what I'm saying. Now, this is where we have our BOS, all right? Some will say this is the highest, some will say this is the highest, some will say this is the highest, and another one is here. Remember, this is 4 hours. You are right, I'm not saying you are wrong, but we are saying we cannot say this is the cause of this BOS. We cannot say here, because there is an order block here, you can see it, we will draw it, the highest point, which is here. The next one, all right, guys, the next one, where is the next one? This is the highest point of this order block. But there is a trick at this point. There is a trick of that point. I'm not complicating this thing. And I'm not doing it so that it can fit the video that I'm sharing, guys. I'm not doing that. I will show you something here. You must learn this. And this is why I say in our VP, there is a good mentorship of understanding this. So here, there is no, let us not lie. They hit our stop loss for those people who entered our 50-50 area or our minor pullback. Then it went to our engineer and triggered or opened our trades. Then it started dropping. All right, guys. Or else, if it would have hit our stop loss this area, then we would have entered this market in our extreme area. You cannot do this or call the system without understanding how these things work. But this is why the system, we make things easier for all traders. See what is going here. We have our minor here, all right? We have our engineer at this point, and we have our extreme at this point, and we have our major pullback here. Why is this become our premier pullback? Because after this BOS at this point, you can see the market went all the way from this area to here. And there was a minor one again. There was another one at this point. But this one, it's what carries this one. The reason why we would have entered this market at our channel, this is what I wanted you to understand, why this system become easier and how you will be getting a lot of trades at this point. The reason why we are entering here, it is because of this zone. Can you see? Why is it? Because of this BOS. This is what I want you to get. Every time there is a BOS, every time there is a break of structure, there will be a reversal. I want you to get that every time, most of the time, not always, but most of the time, more than 80% after the BOS, there will be a reversal. And when will you get into this reversal? When will you know that this reversal is reliable? Our system will show you here. Do we have our POI? Yes, we have our POI here. Do we have our, what else do we have? We have a pullback Excel. Pullback, this system here. We have the pullback Excel with our POI. Point of interest. Why were we sure that this market will pull back? Not only because of this system, because we can identify the break of structure, the BOS. After identifying this BOS, we will wait the signal from our system. If it tells us now we can buy, then we buy and we set our stop loss here. Period. And we hold for that market. Without that signal, don't buy, don't sell, because the market can continue going down. So this is why you will see unbelievable result from our manual TFX Nairobi plus Ambacas or MT5, because we have it also. All are updated. I will share the video later. This is where you will see unbelievable result. The same thing we have been sharing about our Pips Hunter, Golden, unbelievable result. The same thing you will see live from our account about this system. And I will give you mentorship videos and one-on-one on our VIP so that you can see what we are seeing. You can see what I'm seeing and save your time from jumping this time frame to another one. Save your time from doing a lot of analysis before taking trades. Let the system being or make things easier on your side. I will show you to see what I'm seeing here on our VP, right, guys? All you need is to get the system. So you can see where we draw our resistance here, or our supply. It is where we would have expect this market to drop, or else we would have wait this market to hit our engineer before getting to our extreme zone so that we can take this trade. This is the most important thing. All right, guys, this is the most important thing. Now, can we repeat at last so that someone can understand? I do believe CMC traders, they are watching this video. Let's go even to GPP card. Do we have a GPP card again here? No. Let us again analyze this market. Let me delete this one. All right, and remove all this. Now, did you got what I was saying? Again, there is a BOS here. True or false? You can see it. Now, tell me, where is our minor pullback from this point? Let me open this one so that you can see the order block, because I told you must have the experience of order block. Is this not a order block, guys? The reliable one, this one. All right, then let's go direct. Someone say, oh no, my friend, no. Is it not a real order block there? Is it not the one that caused this break-off structure? Then where is our highest point than this one? Let me bring my pen again. Where is our highest point? We have our extreme this point. We have our engineer at this area. Where is our highest point of this one? We have it here. Then, if I told you, what do you know about the order flow? Because here and here, they are very, very close. And when there is a very close area like this one, the same thing like this one, we draw something we call order flow. So at this point, let me show you. At this point now, we can draw an order flow if the market breaks at this point. Now, let us bring our system and see what the system is talking about at this point. I just want to see, is there not a trading line at this point? Where did I tell you we can draw our order flow? This area. Is it not? It is exact this area. Do we have our trade line here? Why would I sell this market? It is because we have the BOS here. And this is our first, my friend, order flow. All right. And you can see after hitting, we can sell. You can wait for this market to go to our extreme. But since we are trading in 4 hours, we can scalp there. All right, guys. Now, may ask, why do you confidence that here there is a sell? You know, you forget about our second template, which I told you it is for helping scalper because of looking, maybe checking of what is happening on currency strength ABCD. If we go to that scalping template 2, you'll find that we will have a green something here. Let me jump there. Let me go, where is our template 2, where we have our sell something. You can see sell it at 67%. Which currency is this? GPP card. So which one should be strong here? It is the card, the quote currency. So if the quote currency is strong, you can see the card. If the card is stronger than the GPP, you have to sell. Why will I sell? It is because I will see here, if I reach more than 70%, then I will sell, because I can see also the card is selling. It's very simple. You can see trade line, and we have our green line there. Then boom, the scalping. It is simple as that. But if I go to this template, because it's not just for the scalping, this one rely for long trades, you can see there is nothing like here but trend line. But I was sure with this trend line because of drawing my order flow at this area. Why am I doing order flow? People, they don't know when to draw the order flow. You can only see how this market was reacting. There was this here, here, and here. Are you seeing what I'm telling you guys? Whenever you see there is a lot of these shapes movement like this one here, just understand it is not the time to rely with what we call just an order block, because you can draw a lot of order blocks here. Every time there is this game, every time they play this game, my friend, take that opportunity to draw the whole area as an order flow. Every time you see this, you are supposed to draw all this area as an order flow. And you can see the market came and reversed. The market came and touched this area and dropped. So there is some activities that will be there. What I'm sharing with you, it is a secret. Whenever you see all these shapes, always draw an order flow. Order flow, you pick all area. You don't just pick one candle here that indicates what do we call it? That indicates maybe supply or an order block. You take the whole area. You take the whole area. Don't just pick this one candle, all right? It will confuse you. Pick the whole thing. That's the meaning of order flow. And you will see the accuracy of the strategy. So I do believe you are getting what I'm saying. But to our system, it makes things easier for you. It will draw this one. Very simple. Why is it simple? You don't have now to draw all those things. These indicators, they will tell you. So we have the green, then scalp. We have the blue, go for short. We have the white, then go for long. Period. We have minor pullback, the one that is green, go for do scalping. We have the pullback XL, go for long. We have a premier minor, go for short. Simple as that. So with this system, you can do all trading, scalping, short and long in one time frame, 4 hours. And people say the reason why people jump from this time frame to another, it is because they want quick money. They want to jump, blah, blah. They want to do scalping. That is not how to trade. This is why a lot of people do a lot of analysis, jumping from this time frame to another. And after doing all those, they still miss. They still lose money. This is why the TFX company, we are here to help you to make things easier, not to jump from this time frame to another, not to do what you think may be scalping, jumping. It is tiresome and it causes a lot of confusion. Trust us, because we have bring all things in bold. So guys, that is the TFX MT4 Nairobi system. We'll share more light. This was to prove to CMC traders or ICT that we know what we are doing, and save your time, save your energy, and get the accurate system and employ yourself. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX company. Thank you.